Raga koga korotoro. Hi guys, naona salamu zenyu. Rosho muthenya.
Timara kwira waririe haha.
Hapana. Hizi ni mambo za nyumbani bwana.
Hadi nafanya vile. Unajua I feel shy. I know. I can connect.
Mtoto wangu.
I know. They should know.
Ni.
This time ukikuja Kenya, dina kwangu.
Nikuja kwako?
Sawa,
ndakuja. Definitely. Ni mambo za mama na mtoto.
Hata ni sistangu mkubwa. Mimi si mamangu.
By the way, huwezi enda happy na mama?
Siwezi enda happy na mamangu.
Tuko na mama already. Tuko na mamas.
Your mom, my mom. Yeah.
Hana kadoli.
Really? Ni hizi makeup bila wig.
Unaka poa. Tena shika na kwanyu.
Sai ni saa 7.
Not it's not so late. No minya ni goma ga nyanya.
Mi leo
goma ga nyanya.
Leo nilienda home. Leo watoto waliniambia wanataka kwenda ushago. Dama toara. Rudoka.
Okay.
Unasikianga uzembe kulala peke yangu kwa nyumba mzima. Nende guoya hanini. Wewe udona nyigirela hivu.
Wewe
hivyo tu. Nigitha riu thie toro ndaigua toro riu thie toro riu.
Sikuzo umekuwa kastadera nile ndo magekwira atiriri. Ati he mundu na ndandikire gwako ngiuga ati mundu akwirite ati kimundu kiu kiandikite ati by the way. Ati njira yo ragera tagati njega. Ndakuja. Mundu ucio ndamurumi.
Riu njira iriku ya kwendana?
Kuthii mugithi, ku dance, everything.
No, yajaruhite.
Riria ariraga maithori ri. Wariku.
Thank you.
Where were you when she was crying? Saizi venye unaona akismile akifurahi, she's looking good, unakuja kumwambia ati njira uragera akwende kabisa.
Ndimwe nginya mokaga inbox mokaga ati ni ndirora kwi Ngai.
Ngai ni witu ithuothe.
I know. Actually, God is happy.
Kuchokoza sana unakuja unaniambia unaniletea nitawanyorosha.
Sawa mama.
Next time ndakuja Mugithi. By the way ndakusurprise kwa Mugithi. You will not even believe it. Ndakuja. Unaona kinyaga hale stage. Venye unaenda hapo kwa stage.
Swear to God. That one. Hiyo nayo is a faint. I swear.
You should mind their own business.
Unajua mie. That can be a very big surprise for me.
Nitakuja ni venye umefika tu hapo kwa stage uikarie iru uikarie iru. Na nijuke jikarere.
Karere. Ndio ni thondekete kahiti kahuana.
Hizi fisi nikizipea prompt. Shireha tu character but unajua unazipea prompt za venye unataka wafanye. Naona mkiniambia udhoni guys. Nidiraona. Nitakuja. I'll talk to this girl behind the tent.
Murenda jikia udhoni.
Ati sahi kamenona utavunja mguu. Mimi ndo nimenona ama ni yaka kala.
Hata ka 90 sikamenona.
Nyinyi wote actually mnakaa vizuri sana.
Thank you.
Nireke gwire wacha ni unajua 90 ni kwambia 90 alikuwa agathi out wakinya thakenda cio tukuri. Akanyita thimu akahurira before kuja into his life nyene ni ndani guzu ma 90 ahuragira thimu milioni. Ayaniambia ni boeka nataka mtu wa kuongea na yeye. Kwa jana ni mboeku. He needs a friend blah blah blah. Squeezy. Sikuzi anipigiangi. Thank you so much.
Ati nimeboeka. Tunatafuta tu
Jamani.
90. Na wezi sema vile kana kametulia hapo.
Guy, mimi ndiye alikuwa nakula kichwa. Hehehehe. Umekuja kuniokoa.
We. Ati nimesikia tu but I think I don't know. There are things I don't know. I've never seen that side of him yet.
Of course you won't see that side because number one, he has to show you he's
a man. The man side.
Yes. Yes. Sasa mimi ni kama sister yake mkubwa pia. So he always calls me ananiambia,
Naona yako yako na ndramu kia.
Kuna siku mpaka Asha. Asha join.
Ati kuna siku
kuna siku mpaka sasa nilimwambia ureda ajeke yake amore na dire Kenya. Unajua kama ningekuwa Kenya ningekuwa nakuja because at sometimes unajua people feel down. Una feel uko down like nobody is appreciating you. And that's normal for us human beings. So when that happened, those are my moments. Those were our moments. But I'm so happy he's okay now. I'm happy you guys are happy together. Naombeaga.
Thank you.
Sana. Ati kana blush kuna maliko na feel shy. Nikiongea na wewe.
I'm like, this person is seeing me, but I can't even see them.
Oh, Mimi.
You're such an amazing soul.
So are you.
Thank you.
So lakini bora mtu asikanyage, mundu aginyaga.
Ni baginyaga ni kwera jera gathi.
Nawe matigikuhutia. No mundu wothe we rugurwa umbrella kwa matienda kumusogotha. No, I'll come in. Yeah. Ndirahingura kamera ta ndohana kuhurwo ni ngwa. I had drinks jana.
Which drink did you have?
Ati how many ama?
Which one?
What's your
order?
So we started off. That's what's crazy is that yesterday I did the most stupid thing. Turajiri and a beer. I had 2 beers and then I had wine. And then bashi and I had a whiskey like a fool.
That's why you're having whatever you're having.
Not that the Tania Kohonia.
Najiroga alafu unapea Mungu mzigo.
Utafanya nini? Sinia bado mmepewa pombe.
Mimi ndo maana mimi I love feeling fresh. I love feeling fresh. Sometimes I think Ati?
Karawe, you're still a baby.
Ketera dere siana. No direnda guciara.
Oh. Mkuje sasa mkuje mtembee akikai niere mugikinya kundu ta guku ni madinge koma muthenya ucio.
Ni ndingicoka. Basi mati kaigwo guo manyume. No ndira shu.
Atiga kuma. Ndotogia muda kagatiriri okaga. Oka ari gagwethera kawira ga kuruta in the meantime. Waruta mieri 6 ugacoka muci. That's beautiful. This is actually the only person nilialawa kuje burial shosho yangu.
Yeah.
Because unajua ni like gwere kiletea diria domoke, especially the big celebrities. First of all ilikuwa a very private moment for us. Ndio nilo ndio makoro makirete meki weta wekidera. So niliimagine ma celebrity wangekuja ado maje kugabu ko makimamo na because they'll draw their attention. Mahore bishakena case. So I wanted it to be something private for the family. But Luciana, I let her come because she has actually also still met my mom. And so she's also very calm. And I felt so honored by the coming all the way.
Thank you, Mono. No,
I know it's far. Marada zetu afterwards.
Okay, next time. Unajua sisi tulimit tu marafiki zako the first time.
Zetu Kenya the following day thainyasi ya muthenya.
Daddy roni are mose manirie nao ndareheirwo 411. Najua ni nani aliniletea.
Unajua alikuja penye nilikuwa tukakaa na yeye hapo. Tenukire twekirete bado nguo iria twari nacio mathiko. No iratu ndacenjirie.
Venye alituona na wewe the following day alinipigia simu akaniuliza, mbona naona mlikuwa na Esther, mbona huku kuja sijui wapi?
By this ni hiyo day.
Yeah, that was the same day.
Yeah, next time nigoka kushare alafu twende sasa actually no, nitakusurprise kwa Mugithi. Tuanze from there.
Surprise kwa Mugithi, then the next one we go just the two of us. Without the guys, you know. The first one we'll have the guys.
Yes.
Then the other
absolutely.
One, we have a girls one. Itabamba.
Usinitambue ama nikasirike, usikasirike Sakaja.
Nani anakasirika?
Mudurajira de mutabure. Na watambua nyinyi wote guys.
Yeah. Alafu we are many. Kuna watu
wanangojanga niongee kitu wa record kama ile ilikuwa ina trend last week ilikuwa dama huduma sio,
lakini unajua unakuwa tu carefree.
Yeah, but sasa wewe ndio sitaki like niseme kitu weird watu wa record alafu uso yako ndio iko hapo. It's not fair.
But we are not talking about people. We are just talking about ourselves. So
that's true.
Alafu tulikuwa na mtu wako London. Wow.
Situende alafu nani Lucy nataka nikikuja nataka kwenda na Nyuki. If you can spare 5 days na twende na Nyuki. It would be nice. Niko na my friends wale wenye ulimit tu.
Oh.
Girls only, hakuna boys.
Okay, I love girls trips. Na msini misquote mseme ati sipendi kwenda pahali na 90 nyinyi. Nimesema
no, hata mimi sijasema sipendi kwenda mahali na bomba, lakini I love my moments na girls. Kama sasa kuna yenye I'm supposed to fly out on the 14th kwenda Dallas. Na nataka kwenda meet ladies. Do dramatiga go kwitereria nyani mai. I want to go for Kedo 3 nights.
Wow. Hey, Muriagage, nona asunta. The new lover girl in town, no darahutika.
Oh, no, ndimu asunta ka.
Ayo heta takeki. Ayo heta takeki
dienda keki. Asunta ayo keki tondra koroireire.
Asunta.
Hi,
Ngihoka ni ara hiyo.
Asunta. Otomera Luciana keki yako tone ndirakorwire na ndikoi.
Nkaire suga ko wega kana kamenyire tene. Kendagia keki. Taria Thika Jomo. I hate what there. Delview. Would you asunta?
Nide muiguaga, but I've never like really concentrated. Muthenya ukura bururukite ndirakora ai wacha ikue kwani iko nini nito ukiuraga.
I know.
Ukiuraga.
Yeah, that's man. But they look, I don't know why they look so together.
You don't know what? Yeah, they do look good together.
Wanafanana.
Guthiaga atiriri. Guthiaga ati mundu acemanagia na mundu. Tari we gwacemanirie na mundu gwitwo Kanainti. Both of you mko na beam ya light ambayo ina shine, like your beam of light shines upon him and his beam of light shines upon you. So when you're together, you glow together. Yeah. Mundu eika ndonekanaga akiglow kiundu kiu, but when you meet, cause light yako ina shine on him na yeye yake ina shine on you, you two glow together. You look absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Atikonya gina Bible.
That's crazy.
I have a Bible. Ndinatigire Johira.
Onayo suraga otigaga gona arata matigaga Johi umuthenya.
Nejiraga Ngai anduta hau.
We wacha. Unaweza acha. Siko ubaya.
Sitaki kuacha. Nimemaliza kusema sitaki mnitumie ma messages za matakataka. Na by the way guys, hizo mamishene mnaniletea kwa inbox sizitaki, mtaniharibu kichwa.
Wanakwambia nini?
Guys, let's get kitu. Unajua what happens kukitokezea ka kitu, watu kimbia inbox kunipatia muhahe. Uri mweginya getigira.
Ado marauga ni wetha ngai.
Riu kaine tugakwa gakari makaka my sister. No menya by the way dirikanagia kama my sister ne ndika sister kanini.
Ge Kenya.
Saga ikaraga kiria Germany.
Oh, nice.
Like I think kamemaliza huko almost 10 years. No, yeah, almost maybe 8 or 9 years. How ndio nadiririkana.
Wow.
Tulikuwa tunaishi na yeye Dubai.
Oh. Well.
Okay, imagine alipata
Acha alipata mama?
Alipata na bwana kwa dating site.
Wow.
Na makihikania.
Wow. So those things work.
Ujo acha nikupe story. Nilikuwa dashamani tiene nage kwa ndakaiwe anagutuka gutire kundu angika dashamani tiene muthuri ungikira dating site dauma kwa kina ndo muthugu tugeka fisha karia kirita hau dating site ni gake ena like 10 years before ari wa Netherlands. Akiuga ni aroka Kenya. Agioka Kenya tugicamania nie kego ndamuhitukire hau barata ndo ndiamenyaga niwe. Ni ndona ndarigiro karatumire ithe. Handu hawe okay. So hede uraikwa ndina miaka igana ndikinyite miaka ndari na miaka igana ndari na miaka
28
around that. Nake ena miaka 63.
Okay, sijashtuka. Okay. You need to focus.
Yuko maka. Kama. Akujira ahikie. Mwana witu. Gemenya haha diko bako ikatadu. First and foremost, ndakorwo ndauma kihiko-ini
Yeah.
Number 2, huyo ni mundu anadigimenya kana tugikota guikarania nake na dimwende. Yani it was just weird.
Like you're not even feeling
na hindi no gudashokire. Yeah, ngiona wira Dubai niguo ndamwirire atiriri, if it's meant to be, we will meet again. Taru my sister shamani na muthuri na ndaikaranga ndathi guku ndaikaranga ndacamania njamanetie na you meet so many people before you meet the right one.
Like since utoke kwa ndoa uliwahi date another Kenyan ama you just went white?
That's hani actually I did date a Kenyan in Kenya slightly before nitoke. Riu ndakinya Dubai ndaikaranga ndaboe kariu ni guikara ndi single gituria maru ngira Ngai baba ni ndenda uhe mundu give me a sign. Ndirio hau ndarikia kuga amen ri ndahingura maitho ri Mukenya wariho moiro na ndari nginya na any mundu anywaga njohi kwanja na mathigara kihurira thimu turutaga wira nake. Take your time dear Lord, ndire na ihenya. So I didn't date any Kenyan again after that. And I dated a Mukenya tigore. But nilipatana na Gethiru Gishamania na my ex-fiancé uria wa UK. But then after that I met my husband.
Wow.
Nilipatana na mujinga.
Okay. He had even proposed. Wewe wa UK?
Yeah, nilikuwa hadi na pete.
Na niwendete kihiko. Tina uru.
Tiko ndanyendete ucio nendaga kuhika ta ndori na ihenya muno. Niĩ nĩ ndaregaga kwanja. Ndiendete kihiko ta ndunona muthuri wakwa twandĩtire mĩaka 5 before tuhikanie.
We
Taikarire 5 good years.
Nduma kuna na nyota ya.
Niko na nyota ya ndoa.
Tuko na nyota. But mtu ametoka kwa ndoa ni rahisi kuolewa tena kuliko mtu ajaiolewa. I don't know, sijaielewa.
Well, I think all in all it depends like what you want.
Yeah, but I think when you get married, you now know what you exactly want. Like you can see red flags before they even show color, you know.
That's true.
Yeah, unaweza letewa.
No menya kaingĩ ũrĩa andũ mekaga. Ona tiga kĩhiko-inĩ, ona dating. Niko compare relationship, niko compare andũ ta rĩu ũrĩa mũratiganire ũkanjia compare character ciake kũrĩ ũyũ wĩ nake. Handũ we mũndũ ũrĩa ahana fresh ũrĩa oka delete to character tũrĩa we ũtarenda. Wangalia kukutha mtoto wangu ni unacheka nini? Mwana wako mali ulisi.
Najua mnakaanga sisters.
Sasa arajira tiriri ati we na advice better ya marriage na dara date mtu yoyote, but she wants to come and advise people about relationships.
Oh wow. That's so Gen Z.
Gen Z wako hivyo, wamejiamini.
So Miki tunasema, unaona hiyo story ya kucompare mtu na your previous person. It comes when you haven't healed. Like it comes naturally. Unajua mimi nimejipata hapo. I tried. Kuna time unaona ile unapatana, okay, honestly, tuongee tu kweli. Unapatananga na watu wengi. na wengine wako serious kabisa, lakini kwa conversation ukipata tu namwambia hata fulani alikuwa ananifanyia hivyo, uget. Lakini kama saa hii juu nilisha heal right now, I don't even remember I was ever in another relationship. Hata huwezi pata nime bring up hata wapi, but hapo mbeleni, kwanza last year hatugeenda dates 2-3 na mtu kama sijamcompare na previous.
Yeah.
I think ni kitu. Alafu nilikuwa na
dagera uso bako dirikanaga kauthio gaku the day that tulikuwa ile siku tulikuwa sasa tulipatana kwa live. Na kuangalianga hiyo siku nasikia oi akiaka katoto hedema ngoma ni adete guthinikania na shindwe kabisa.
Ndio da kwirorera video ya live ona ndia madamu ni uri kwa ira
ni light ni thitima gutari kana niki ni kuira wairete ugu
ona kuira ni ndairete ndaigurite nona haho hyperpigmentation
yes.
Okay. Na bado guthie muno na riua ni ndatembeaga muno na riua ndatindaga riri nona hari ugu thutha wa KU au ugu andu mahoyaga ndatindaga hau njikarite thi riu ngwiciria riua riu ni ria njinaga muno ndatindaga ngihoya
wathia hau kuhoera ho
ahoyaga ndathia hau kuhoera ho mathaa mangi tondu reka tu video nginya YouTube irerorerwo ni mundu
ita wira ri thaa ici
ugathie gwetha wira ukerwo kai kwanza ndirikanaga he kundu ndathire gwetha wira mutumia ciake njira we uratia mucara wa 30 na nginya na 30 ndungĩendia njira na sales cia 30 ndingĩmũmĩkĩra
na ndunona kuria guothe ukinyite.
But nilikuwa na understand tondu riu ni ndakirora ngona I need to really work on myself honestly.
Na toto we wikita ndathiete gwetha wira hindi ingi 44 githurai wa kuina riu ndatwikanirie kuma 45 maguru na iratu iria cia Jesus no iratu iria cietagwo cia Jesus anga wa Yahudi something like that.
Zile za plastic. Zile za kufunga. Nimeziona
riu ndakinyire njirite maguru ndi muiyo ndina rukungu na ndio ndio kana thina kana niki maru makwa mari ma black mairu fio matiaheire wira
magwirire niki
matiakindorire go makiona customer tamarioka matariokaga no ndathiete kuhoya wira wa kuina.
Oye
kwa bar fulani hapo
ni ndekire uguo ndekire uguo hindi mwe hindi kwari na mundu akiri in love na ni riu hindi akinjira atiriri mundu ndaikaraga atari na passport ni uri passport mwana waku ni uri passport ti mwe passport na akindumira mbia cia passport no riu we mundu agutumire cia passport na umwire nduri fare ni tukiana na mwana wakwa na kairitu gakwa ka wira kuharuka taoni gutikoragwo na thina ito no uhuthire bathi no gucoka kuma taoni ri tugikihudira tugigithie ku witagwo Nyayo House kana witagwo atia
Nyayo House
ni tukiapply twina mwiritu wa wira na Ryan wakwa gucoka ri tutingithie kwara raini bus station andu nimekumenya na mone ndina kana gakwa twaire Uber mbeca cia Uber ciathiragira Roasters But twaire Uber twacukĩire Roasters riu ningĩ mwambie kũmbangĩni matatu mana mũtĩ mũrĩrĩ akĩcapa kairitu karĩa ndandĩkĩte wĩra getagwo Mĩrĩ ndagatũmagĩra chwani cia irio Ngai ndakomaga Kai yani ndumite igana muthenya kairitu kukarĩkia tondu nona muthenya ndatumaga mbia nyingĩ nĩ igana na kari kega tondu karugaga irio cia capa cigatigara nginya ranji ndirikana karugaga ngima nyeni na mboco
wadirikania riri hau haguthi mbeca guthirira bara mbeca citũ my sister he hindi mami akomete thibitari for nearly mĩeri 2, something like that.
Yeah.
Ithuĩ mbeca iria ndarĩ nacio mũhuko ngĩra my sister atĩrĩrĩ nĩ tũthiĩ gwa tata ikaraga Gĩthũngũri. Na wakinya Gĩthũngũri town nĩ ũthiĩ magũrũ handũ, I mean ũbatiĩ kũingĩra ngari no ũthiĩ magũrũ kĩndũ ta 45 minutes. Mbeca citũ ciathirĩire Ndumberi. Tũgĩcukithia matatũ.
Na maganga mewa.
Ciringi 5 ciatigario tũkĩgũra tũmĩthigwiti twa kwĩhe hinya. Tũkĩanjia gũthiĩ magũrũ. Ĩno ĩ nduma yatũkorereire bara. Nginya tũcĩvagwo nĩ athuri na nĩ kũrau. My God. Ai jamani.
But Ngai matũria atumia matukũ maingĩ tondũ maũndũ marĩa atumia mageragĩra na ciana ciao.
Na hĩndĩ ĩyo akĩngũria atĩrĩrĩ, hĩndĩ ĩyo ũrauga mwathire gwĩka atĩ passport rĩ? Nĩ tene? Nĩ last year kanĩ?
Ni last year.
Oi.
Ilikuwa last year. Mi vitu zote mashida nimekula last year. Ni ndari ya thina. No niyo naitana hika ni ndazumaga wega.
Tana hika.
Ni mathina ndari ndauma kwa kina ndoa. Mbere yo ndio thina wega niki. Ndoi mathina ni ndakireretwo na thina ai. No ni thina uria urarerwo no urathie cibarua nginya ndi campus ni ndathukumaga. So na ndari ya thina ni thina urahota guthukuma no reke ngwire riria kunyitanaga nginya wahoya ukaigua mahoya hatire handu marathie waigua iyo jaenda
by the way no kwa kina ndoa ni ndiahoyaga tondu riu mari ndathiaga ngagura ndiakiuma kwa kina ndoa na ndirĩ wĩra na ndĩna ciana 2 na kamwe kena mĩeri 2 rĩu nĩ gwetha wĩra na wĩra ũrĩa ndĩrona rĩ nĩ ũrarĩha mbeca nyinyi piũ. Ndathiaga ngagũra mũtura wa 10 ngawatura ngaruta tũnyama tũu ngatũkaranga na gĩtũngũrũ ngekĩra njagi ng'ima ya maĩ na cumbĩ. Rĩu na landlord anjũragia atĩrĩrĩ, gwaku kũnungaga nyama o mũthenya na ndũrĩhaga nyũmba. Rĩu nĩ ngũkĩrĩha nyũmba na ciringi 10 kana nĩ ngũre mũtura? Na gũkomba niĩ ndakombaga nduka-inĩ. Ndakinya hau nduka-inĩ ngĩhĩtũka ngacenjia ruti. Ndakinya hau nduka-inĩ ĩyo ngĩhĩtũka ngakuruma hau no ũngĩkuruma hakuhĩ na ndirisha rũthingo-inĩ rwa nduka ũkurume hau ndagũkuona ũrĩa shopkeeper ndegũkuona thĩinĩ nĩgetha hĩtũke. Na rĩu Ngai nĩ ũyũ.
Ngwĩciria thĩna no kwĩmena na gũteho. Niĩ okorwo he kĩndũ ndietĩkĩrire gũcoka gĩcagi iyo nayo nilikata.
Na rĩu Ngai kwanja niĩ atũtũmire kũrĩ we akiuga no nginya mwĩke nditi ĩno. I remember hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩ kũwarĩ hĩndĩ ĩyo warĩ kũu nĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ndagũtũmire rĩrĩ ndagũtũmire gwĩtagwo atĩa gũkũ wathire thikũ 2 anga 3 ũcoke wanjie kũngia mũtwe njĩre nĩ ũrenda gũcoka mũciĩ na ndirĩkĩtie wĩra. Nĩguo ndaugire atĩrĩrĩ kairĩtu gaka wona gacoka mũciĩ na tũbeca tũrĩa tũrarutire kagũre indo cia nyũmba nona rĩu gegũtigwo ke nil. Reke tũng'ang'ane.
Rĩu niĩ ndarigagwo atĩrĩrĩ no ũrĩa mwatũmire nĩwe handũ yani she had a lot of nona mũndũ ũrĩa ũkoragwo na restlessness mũndũ ndangĩhota gũbanga tũmaũndũ anga ahoreire tondũ aheire a lot of distress mũno. No ndagĩkenire
agĩgwĩtia cabi kana
ĩni rĩu nĩ ndariga ũkarĩkie kũrathiĩ tondũ nĩ mwabangana nĩ mwerana nĩ ngoka reke ndĩgĩũke And then ukona ni arago pressure muno tiga gutinda ugiuka iwe ndumira karibu kariki kurathie na mbere no ni mundu ndihokete muno no bado no menya he ni ugia na ciuria ako sawa ni na happy
na twamenanite kwaja twamenanite nake
ni zera
juu na jamii niko mbali nigetha nyingirie mami hau ithabu imire ure I had to have somebody I can tondu ni uria njikaga ni nyendete mutaratara like I love plan nona riu haida kinyira tukihitania nake ngimura we kwanja we ndo ndeithia riu
oi pole ni mimi ndio tukiaria sana ni ndo bari kai ni ndakenire ma ni ndire ndakena uguo na nona wewe wachira thimo tondu ndiarugamire hau ndathire thiete
wathire thiete tondu riri nona hindi ciothe undu ungikorwo ubangitwo ni Ngai yani tondu ti nie this was God's plan for you even mimi I was just a vessel
sure
so something that's planned by God has to succeed na tondu wewe mwamure na Ngai ni akwendete ri tondu ni ngoro yaku uri nikio akuinuite na bado this is not it you're still yet for more and more blessings you're still growing
I'm just starting
yes
I feel like
na nio yate ona wakinya na hau mbere ni ugateithia mundu ungi nikio akugiririe maithori nigetha nawe ukagirania maithori
wow that is good
tondu na ni niguo njikire that's why I don't turn people away
okay but saa zingine mtu haizangi kusaidia kila mtu
niguo
una realizing like people are going through a lot but me I always if I can whenever I can but najua time inakuja indesho sio le ando maheire icio ni cia community ile time ikifika hata mimi lazima nitarudisha na nipeane even more
alafu na niguo baithire kengure no na taru it's very clear right now that Nya shinete light yake upon you especially mwena ginya kana item yani you guys are going to be already like Gwire in the Mugithi industry for example performing industry hatire if I was told to choose for show it I get that go the most entertaining and area mora adu mara relate nayo it's you guys mwe stage that thing is beautiful adu muka head the whole people are happy wonaga adu marutete tu mathimu because they want to keep a memory of that to record you guys
thank you
na kitambo nilikuwa naenda show ya kana 90 hata niliona adu ginya makirecord you know they were just like he's just there just like the other Mugithi people now he's unique this is something new he's brought to the industry so Mugithi kora ihumono
amen
thank you Jenny ngoja next time utaniona na kwa stage
we can't wait all of us can't wait
that would be crazy Now support I love the way you guys also support them I love it nyinyi watu ni watu wa nguvu
sana mimi hata sijui naweza sema nini kwa hao watu I don't know what
acha nijibu Aisha acha nikwambie unaona ukiandikia Lucy hapa juu ya nani ya Miriam metako Miriam Lucy is still growing the way she can she will chip in ni joy for a fact when we do that itakuwa tanyamo ya reka launching Lucy atasimama na yeye so wacha kusema ni kama analipa unajua ati she doesn't need to pay she does not need to pay hapana she does not need to pay atasimama na yeye, but you don't need to tell her juu tulisimama na wewe usimame na yeye. No, that's like you're paying back. Unatika fogea ikadire na shio weterero teithio yo. Don't do that. Mimi kama saizi Lucy does not owe me anything. She does not owe me anything. Damwirire, I think I told you, you don't owe me anything, but ugegasha manena modu na we no hoti we wakumtaidia, you will do that. Yeah. And also when you're helping someone, Anna, you help them with a clean heart and God repays you. You don't help them so that ati unwambie ile deni yangu nilikupatia heoria. No. Usiweke Lucy hizo mamizigo tafadhali. Don't. Sisi wote kiwholesale tutasimama na yeye. Eti gwado wako.
Tunasimama na wao. Wale wote. Yeah, like if they people, someone embarrasses you in public, we support you in public also.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah. So, alafu kuna time pia mtu anaweza panga event na ukose kuenda juu huku make, you know. So msoi judge mtu ati juu haku make kwenda event ya mse fulani, but support nayo lazima. Support lazima.
Yeah. Wachangeni kweka. Sasa unangoja happen alafu usema unaona hakuenda. But you don't know behind the scenes mtu anafanya nini, you know.
Yeah, sure. So we are also like you guys.
So what?
We are all, even them, they are just like us. You see, the same way we behave, it's the same way they also do behave. Zile vitu tu zinatukwaza pia hawa the same things huwa zinawakwaza pia. So
yeah, true.
Yeah.
Kama hauna pesa usimame naye na maombi, kama hauna hujui kuomba, juu kuna watu hawajui kuomba.
Ama hata like na comment.
Yes. Ama kushare tu video yake pale YouTube, you know?
Yeah.
Event ni 30th ama ni 31st. Lazima niangalie poster. End of this month. End of umoja ntare kishigana.
Kwa the date 3. Leo ni date 4 I see.
Mweri yoyo.
Yeah. But that lady is so beautiful. But I looked at that girl and she's so cute.
She's actually
kuna wasichana wa and she's a mom of 3 and I was like, okay, sitaki kuuliza what do men want, but still.
Unajua saizi shi wimbo yake by the iko almost 100,000 views. Her song has really moved.
Yeah.
She's going to go far. Si tulianza pia na Triza hivyo. We started the same way. Look at where Triza is right now. She's a shining star.
I know. Hey, kwanza Triza, me I just look at her and I'm like, thank God. Like, I just thank God for her. I don't know why. At this has been nakanga tu hivyo namtumia message. I'm like, I just thank God for you. You don't know how happy I am for you.
Oh, you're talking about me?
Triza.
Oh,
yeah, for you too. That's how much Triza. Like sometimes I just sit down and I'm like, hey, this girl doesn't know how happy I am for her. Unajua acha niache mshene. But
she's grown. We talk almost every day on the phone. So yani she's so grateful, she's happy, she's embraced. First of all, people are asking me, why don't you, like okay, let me try and put it in a way that people will understand. Triza, when she first came out, she needed both support, emotional, na ginya guidance ya social media. Where you needed emotional, but social media, you are already there. So you knew what to do and how to respond because you're already doing stuff. So inaonekana kama sasa I leaned more onto her, but her she needed, hakuwa anajua kurespond to comments. Other maga comment, akahiyo kero chua. makamurekodia reply makamuanika.
And that's what
But
people do.
Yes.
That's what people do. Like, people wanna gaslight. If you respond, they record.
Eni tadetaro ungemurora tha ici thiko ici niwe gucokia kana agakira ni ona kungiumira kiundu ndimuhuragira very early in the morning ngamwira ona kiundu kiu kira trend tha ici wacho wario ni mundu ndugacokie unyamaze tu juu ukiongea watakurecord wakuanike. But sasa Lucy anajua kudeal na social media, kitu alikuwa anahitaji tu ni emotional support.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's the difference. Unatoka kakage Kamiliam
tu ni vile nilikuwa nishazoea. For me,
yes.
Kutukanwa something, you know, I know who I am, I know what I am. So ukikuja uniambie kitu yenye na najua I'm not that, ni venye tu sisomangi hizo comments na wachanga tu hapo mnaandika. Ukitulia sasa ndo utauliza sasa mbona mko mnanipiga?
Leo nako Kamiliam ni miena yothe social media na emotional hana triza bado.
But I think ametulia.
Ni mpole sana.
I don't know her from social media. Nimemjua juu hiyo story.
Dita ba 5 nike murajitira. Kanaite
90 yako na event kubwa sana my dear.
Hiyo hata alishania. Ashaniambia.
Ndio sasa wanasema you come.
Acha tutapanga na huko behind. Sasa mnataka niseme nitakuja ndo sasa Lucy ajue nitakuwa. Simwache iko surprise.
Turagotomera kadi ya girigana. Yeah. Gold ticket. Kwa tukagudabia kinyamago.
Adora Miriam ni yule bibia that apostle or whoever somebody. Mwenye alijianika.
I don't even know that pastor. Nilimjua hapo.
Same.
Lakini wanaume wanaweza jiga. Okay, si wanaume peke yake, but watu wanaweza jigamba.
Alijipiga kifua tukamnyorosha.
I was like, what the heck? What are you even talking about?
Tunashona vivatu na dress code ni vitenge. What do you mean? Ya event? Ama vitenge ya ndoa? Erorashio.
Like anataka tunini tu rarurashio yangu.
Ateke?
Maraiga shiaro rashio.
Hiyo sasa rurashio si tutakuwa huko mbaya sana.
Guy, Luciana, my dear, oh my God. Like, to me, like, okay, I don't know. Sijui maana nachukulianga vitu ndogo kama ni kubwa.
Like, ati vitu ndogo?
Like the thought of something might not be that big, but maybe thinking of it, now it's so big. You know?
Of course it's big.
That's it's still scary. But happy, like scary big. You get like not scary like I wouldn't want it.
Utafanya
but scary.
Tutaongea like tutapanga pole.
Sawa.
Pole ndo upate confidence. Kwamba hivyo na mimi yangu nilipanga like for a long time. Rorashio. Unajua sasa wazungu hata wajui rorashio ni nini.
They don't have culture.
Sasa lazima umfunze.
But I feel that's so nice. I think like we should introduce our children to acha tu. Hiyo yao ni tanga better. Like they are just so free. Si kama
mimi watoto wangu wanaenda na rorashio tafadhali. Waende na njia za kizungu.
sio nayo lazima juu na wewe umerashirio. Si mzazi akirashiria mtoto lazima.
Unasikia wewe? Ukiolewa lazima tuchukue rorashio. Ni mimi ndachukua rorashio. Si ukiolewa. It doesn't matter. Hata kama ni Mjamaika kama ni wa wapi. Ajifuate culture.
But ni vipoa like men should rush, yeah.
No, it's a culture yetu ni and we must follow it.
Na
culture gani? No akahago piga maundu makwa. Era.
Ucio arenda aikirio deposit. Arauga we no urarehe client. Mugaya message.
No urenda kuria bia.
Rimwe ngionaga ni ubatie kuoya pati ya ruracio. No uria kihiko rimwe kigia mundu. Like
Muthungu ucio ungi wakwa ambe yako no ndarihire. Etete my uncles mametetie milioni 3.
guy.
Tamaka.
Moni ndia thungu makiona bia riu biu.
Moni ya muthungu makiona milioni 3 na ate arugamirire uhiki na agure matangi. Ndamuria ati no murendie na already ndina ciana 3 niki muranyendia.
O mwana
ciana igere sorry ti 3. Hey.
Wow. Na niguo gwitu na ithuĩ mũhĩrĩga witũ ko wĩtigĩrĩtwo nĩ ũrĩa ũĩ gwĩtia indo. Wĩre kana ite eharĩrĩrie.
We?
Witũ athuri maumaga mwaki. No rĩu nĩ makũrire ngwĩhoka nĩ makũrĩte rĩu. Mũhĩrĩga witũ atumia gũkorwo gwĩtigĩrĩtwo araigua ũrahikania kwa Njirũ. Acio. Wĩharĩrie na rũracio. Na nĩ marĩ kĩmenyano.
Ate kana nikio orire. Tikũra orire nĩ ndamutigire.
Rĩu waiguire wakinyire handũ ũkĩigua ca?
We akinyire handũ agĩtuĩka psychopath.
No nĩkĩo gĩkoragwo
ciothe anjire kuga atĩrĩ, oh they are selling their daughter to me. Rĩu nona rĩu eciragia nĩ kũngũra ngũra mbia. Ngiona haha nĩ tũkĩanjia kũhĩngĩcana na he had a bad mouth. Nĩ ndiendete mũndũ wĩna bad mouth.
I get.
Mwezi wacha wazee Jezebel. We kwanza
culture ni culture, let me tell you. Unaona kwetu, you can't argue with those men. Ati watu wanapanga rorashio ati you go argue with those men. Na kutukaa hiyo waka. Nĩ mawatho ma kĩrĩa ma mũhĩrĩga.
Ndireje moni nĩ ndate client. Ndakũrĩo thimũ ngĩnegenio mũno by the way.
Mani. Maugire nĩ wate client.
Manegenirie. Atĩ na nĩguo mũthuri ũcio ararĩ mwega.
Rĩu monire rĩu haha rĩu monete rĩu mekuma na mũndũ 100,000. Arabu reke ngwĩre. Ũthiĩ ũkarora andũ arĩa mareka atĩ maratara rũracio rũu na relationship yaku nao ũkaigua kũmeheria kamĩtĩ-inĩ.
Exactly. Tondũ nginya ũkĩrerwo matiarĩ ho no metaga huyu mtoto tumemlea alikuwa na sijui nini tumemsomesha ni gute.
Kwanza hau hagũthomithia. But me I'm a community child, by the way. I think that's why nakuanga very ndiendete gũtuĩka bita kũrĩ andũ. Me I'm a child of a community somehow. Athuri a gwitũ nĩ manyitĩrĩire ndĩ university bado.
Nĩ rĩu niĩ ndĩrarigwo ngarũgama mwena waku kana mwena
waku. Rĩu nĩ ndĩyũragia ũrĩa makauga. We no ũkire mwena wakwa rĩu tondũ.
Twĩtie.
No ũkire mwena wakwa twĩtie indo. Twĩtie indo tondũ rĩu ndikwenda tũkamenana.
Kana ito
Icokithagio thutha honi nacio nĩ makahũra ti atĩ.
It's very confusing, by the way, for me. Because nyinyi wote ni watu wangu. See if you can do it, because I know these people, like 90 is my personal person. Nikikuja Kenya mi huenda nini show zake. Sasa na huyu ni wangu pia. Sasa nitafanya nini?
Wewe chagua. Ama uende side yake muongezee hata mahali. Mi zote niko safe. Side zote niko safe. Kienda side yake si bado nitaongezewa mahali. Atenaiti akomaku wageta go 10K ni go forward. Na ni urauga ndekau mi ni wife material. Bethe he kindu andu matoi. Mi no wife material. No kurite ndaga wana. Yani ndikienda marriage irahe stress. No ndi wife material 100%. Hiyo nayo nakuwa nimejipea.
Wewe ni wife material?
Mi ni wife material. Ni ndungĩngora tũgĩcokanĩria na mũthuri kana ngĩmuma irio atĩ tondũ nĩ acereirwo kana ngĩmũria umire kũ. Nyendete tu thayũ. No rĩu thĩna wa andũ aya wamahe thayũ mũno ndikĩrĩ ndahika rĩngĩ no nĩ njiguaga atumia makĩaria arĩa mahikĩte. Athuri matiendete thayũ nĩgetha magethe thayũ. But I'm just nĩ tũrũgano tũthikagĩrĩria online ti atĩ nĩ experience no gwĩcirĩrĩria nyonaga karĩ kũrĩa matendete thayũ. No niĩ ndĩ wife material. Niĩ wakwa nĩ ngamũhe thayũ. Ndĩrenda mũthuri ũrenda thayũ.
No menya niĩ nani ngoragwo ndĩ mũhoreri mũno mũno nyũmba. I'm very very ngoragwo ndĩ mũhoreri. By the my character online is the opposite of what I am.
Yeah.
In person, by the way, duonire na gũtuĩka ndakĩrĩ na kĩeha. I don't talk much. Number one. Gũcokanĩrĩa na mũthuri no anginyire ruo na mũthuri wakwa ti mũcokothi by the way ona aranjogotha niĩ no ndigĩra kũruga nĩ mũrugi. Kũruga nĩ mũrugi gwethera ndĩ nĩ njũĩ wega nĩ ndĩ gabiribiri yani ingĩcogothwo ndĩ gabiribiri. No ngoragwo ndĩ mũkirĩra nĩnyendete gũthondeka mũciĩ. Kĩndũ thũire no kũhara.
Niĩ kĩndũ itendaga nĩ kwĩrwo maheni. Niĩ nyendaga tu bora ndũkandakarie tu na usifeel na pia usifeel competition. I don't like insecure people. I can't survive around insecurity.
No athuri magĩkoragwo me insecure anyway.
Hiyo kitu inasinyanga. Unajua how it makes you unproductive?
Tarĩu nĩ na nĩ ngũrire rĩ. Agĩkoragwo ena yani agĩkora andoraga akahana ta ingĩũra. Ndĩrora thikũ na mĩaka ĩno.
Okay, it's good, but wasi overdo pia like.
Yeah.
We, gathimu gakwa no mea nĩ mwaki karathira mwendwa.
Nĩndĩrenda gũthiĩ kũrora mũgũnda nyeni ciakwa.
Nĩ gũkũhũrĩra rũciũ nĩ I hope kesho nĩngarĩkia mashughuli tena. Tomorrow I have a very busy day, but I'll try.
Wewe ni text alafu nitakwambia kama pia mimi niko home.
Sawa. Thank you so much for the company.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much guys for watching this live. And then mlale kesho job tupatane. Tuonane rosho YouTube.